So like, we say 喜欢. Yes. How, Lauren, tell me how to say like. Almost. 喜欢. Yes, good pronunciation. Just right here, so you can see them. 喜欢 is like. 好, so how to say I? Yes, that's correct. 是的，我。好 so I like horse. Can you try? just one word. This one. Great, 很棒，Lauren 很棒。好 now we can try together the whole sentence. 我喜欢马。很好。Lauren, try once more the whole sentence. 哇，好棒 Now the whole sentence correct and clear pronunciation. 好 but you told me just a little. How to say a little? 一点点. Yes, just right here. 一点点. 好 So I like horse a little. You can say 我一点点喜欢马。很好。Have you ever ride the horse? Yes. Oh, how do you say yes, the word? Wow, you remember. 很好，对，是。好 Joyce didn't ride a horse before, just watch them on TV. But I used to keep this animal. What is this? 对，很棒，这是狗。那 Lauren 喜欢狗吗？So do you like 狗？哇，好棒 Lauren, you finished your whole sentence this time. Okay, that's all for our today's class. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。